My first duty today is to welcome all of you and to thank you very much for having gotten up at early hour in the morning and braved the San Francisco traffic to be here. I have many people to thank, and the first one that I would like to thank is the Box organization, Box.com. You will see several representatives of Box here. They are the sponsors of all of this. So Box and our friends, Pete McGoff and Robin Daniels, who's going to come next, are the sponsors of this presentation. So thank you very much for the venue, for the breakfast, for the fruit juice, and also for furnishing us with a great speaker, Pete McGoff, who is going to be providing us information about his life within this type of issues. But we're going to start first with Robin Daniels, who is going to tell you about Box.
So first of all, thank you all for coming today. I'll keep this really brief because we want to get to the good stuff with Peter and the rest of the team of experts who are here today. First of all, my name is Robin Daniels. I run product marketing at Box, which I've been doing for the last year and a half or so. Before that, I was at Salesforce for just over 4 years, where I ran product marketing for a product called Chatter. And I was also based with Salesforce in Europe, in London, for quite a while, so I know quite a bit about the complexities around data protection, data privacy, data location, and so on, and all the questions that arise here. So I'm really excited that Box and the Cloud Security Alliance can help dispel and clarify some of the misunderstandings that there are around data privacy, location, and the myths that are really kind of surrounding this very, very foggy issue. Of course, being a cloud organization like we are, we're firm believers that the cloud offers tremendous benefits for companies all around the world. And we are seeing that in a number of companies who are adopting cloud at a very rapid pace. Box grew last year at about 150% year over year, and we now have more than 150,000 companies all around the world who use Box to benefit from collaboration and sharing of data between teams, between organizations, and between boundaries as well. And of course, they rely on companies like Box to be able to really make their companies more efficient, more innovative, to move much faster in this kind of new world. I mean, our commitment to security is one of the reasons why these companies have chosen Box. It's the reason why these 150,000 businesses like McAfee, BBC, Anglo American, McCann, Nationwide Insurers are choosing Box and putting some of their most prized assets into our cloud because they believe that we can provide security and protection that is better than what they can provide themselves. So, don't just take my word for it. It's companies around the world who are looking to the cloud to offer new efficiencies beyond what they could get beforehand, because the old way of simply storing everything in-house doesn't work in a world where everyone is now working remotely or is working on mobile devices and trying to communicate and collaborate better with each other across these different boundaries. So, when it comes to this data security and data privacy and data location thing that we're here to talk about today, we're really excited to be able to help clarify some of the things that probably many of you here in the audience have kind of top of mind about what is really true and what's not true. There's a lot of myths out there, I believe, around the Patriot Act and what the powers of the Patriot Act really can do to companies and how it affects companies around the world. There's a lot of myths around what other countries are doing for their data protection and privacy acts as well. And so today you have a whole panel of experts who can help answer some of those questions. So I recommend that you don't be shy about the questions that you have. Feel free to be interactive with the panelists, with myself, with other members here who can help answer some of the questions that you might have. So again, I want to thank the Cloud Security Alliance for helping us put on this great initiative that hopefully will help clarify some of the questions that you have. So thank you very much.
Thank you.